What's up, YouTube? It's ronz.y. First and foremost, today we're talking about the Meta glasses, okay? And before we start, are these the Gen 1s or are these the Gen 2s? So, if you don't know what this video is about, should you upgrade or should you just buy the Gen 2s in general or over the Gen 1s, right? And by the way, these are the Gen 1s. You can't tell, the Gen 2s look exactly the same, okay? So, starters, you know what I mean? We're gonna get this video over with quick and simple, I promise you guys, okay? Quick and simple decision making. So, for everybody, okay, let's talk about the basics. So the Gen 2s, they have better battery life, okay? The camera looks better. It's a 3K video camera compared to 1080p on these, right? So you get very dynamic range, things of that nature. Yeah, that's about it. They're like 2 grams, I think, lighter.
6 out.
Not that big of a difference. So, oh yeah, they cost more. You know what I mean? So the Gen 2s right now, for me, I don't feel like they're worth that much of an upgrade because, for example, I'm gonna show you guys some videos as we go on, right? Some pictures and some videos. All the Gen 1s, okay? I just at the fair, put up right on the side right here. I just at the fair captured some awesome content with these, okay? They're phenomenal, right? Sure, can I get a little bit better image quality? I mean, yeah, I could, but I mean, is that a deal breaker to me right now? No, not really. Like, the only reason I would say to get a new pair of Meta glasses or to upgrade to Gen 2s would just be for the battery life, because these, I mean, they don't die. Like, I run these all day pretty much. Like, I run like 5-6 hours on one go and it'd be perfectly fine. The new ones said they go up to 8 hours without having to charge them. I mean, that's not that
6 out
of a difference. And when I'm not wearing, I'll just put them in a case and it charges right up in like 15 minutes anyway, so I'm good, right? But yeah, personally, y'all, if you want to save money, just get the Gen 1s, because I bought this pair right here, and these are transitions, by the way. These are transitions. I got this pair for like, what, $2.99. I got it for $2.99, right? The Gen 1s, right? The new ones for transitions, they start at what, $4.79? $180 markup. Not really worth it in my opinion, right? Also, you can get these just regular shades, or these even cheaper for like $250. So personally, y'all, if you want to save money and you really don't really care about the slightly better camera and the slightly longer battery life, then yeah, just get the Gen 1s. You get these on sale, crazy sales they got right now, because I mean, everybody has them, things of that nature. So awesome, real pair of glasses. And trust me, you don't have to worry about the battery life, because especially buying like refurbished through Meta, the battery life comes at like it's good all the time anyway, so you have nothing to worry about. So yeah, but yeah, all these pictures, I'm just playing hopes of content. Yeah, like it's honestly, it's perfect. Okay, you walk around, do everything with them, and like I said, these are transitions, so you can get a good pair for a pretty cheap price, which you really can't do that if you got the Gen 2s. Just saying, you can get more for your money, right? Now, I don't know if you can see my gesture, but the Meta display glasses, now those, I'm feeling like it might be worth every penny. So I'm gonna pick me up a pair of those pretty soon. They cost $860, like, you know, after tax. At least here where I gotta buy them from at Best Buys. So, you know, Cash App gonna be right there. You know, if you want to donate to the cause, I mean, hey, you know, it'd be greatly appreciated, because the content's not just for me, it's for you. Like, it's for you guys. So yeah. But anyways, that's really all I got. If you want to save money, just get the Gen 1s. If you want to get the Gen 2s, I mean, I can't stop you. It's your money at the end of the day. You know what I mean? But me personally, if you don't have a pair, right, and you want to try them out, stuff like that, just get your pair of Gen 1s. Simple, quick, simple, easy. Now, if you're a stickler for the best video, the best photos, you want to be a 4K photographer, you don't shoot at 4K. You know what I mean? Like, then sure, get the Gen 2s, but you're not gonna notice that big of a ditch. I promise you won't. But that's all I got for the video. I told you, look, man, it's been under 5 minutes, okay? That's my review on these. These are probably like some of the best glasses you can get in general. I'm sorry about the light, by the way. I'm driving, and it's a glare. I don't know. This hope, that hope. But yeah, y'all, that's all I got for the video. So stay tuned. We got some crazy content dropping, and yeah, ronz.y is out.